Shipping container homes can be built using one module or multiple shipping containers joined together to form a large living space. However, joining multiple containers is not as straightforward as it may sound. In this video, we are looking at how these three shipping containers were joined together to create this amazing 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, open plan shipping container home with over 960 square feet of habitable space. The front porch ushers you into an open plan living space, a well-designed, well-lit, modern space with a lounge area, a dining, and a big modern kitchen on one end. This is a closer view of the lounge area, showing amazing lounge seats, big floor-to-ceiling glass windows that creates a seamless indoor-outdoor living experience, drenching this lounge area with maximum daylighting. You will also have a feel of this nice lounge area by the corner effect of the full height glazing and also the wooden architrave around the windows and the doors, plus that amazing wooden ceiling. This dining set is cozy and modern, befitting this amazing living space. Next to the dining area is a big open plan kitchen space. This kitchen is well finished with modern appliances throughout, a nice island ideal for a breakfast bar that can sit 3 or more. We also have stainless steel appliances and big wooden countertops. The kitchen is equally well lit with a big glass window that lights up the sink space and the kitchen area in general. This house has got 2 amazing bedrooms. The bedrooms are of good size and are nicely furnished. This is a view of the master bedroom, which is a good size and well furnished. It is fitted with big glass windows with the wooden trim, just like other spaces in the house. There is a walk-in closet and a master ensuite. This bathroom is big, well furnished with a glass shower cubicle, dual sinks, a toilet, and 2 bathroom mirrors. Next to the master bedroom is the second bedroom, which is equally big and well furnished. It is well lit with a big glass window with a wooden trim, wooden floors and ceilings, and white painted shiplap on the inside. Next to it is also another bathroom, which is equally big and fully fitted. We also have a laundry space which has a washer and dryer. There is a laundry sink and a big counter space for folding and handling your linen. This amazing house is not just big and functional, it is also well designed with tons of outdoor living space. There is a big covered outdoor deck stretching the entire length of the shipping containers on the rear of the building. This amazing outdoor deck is well furnished with outdoor dining areas. There's also a big bathtub on one end, creating a nice place to wind down after an amazing stroll in the woods. Also an unrestricted view of the property from this backyard deck, which also has an amazing view of additional outdoor living facilities like the fireplace, which is a nice place to gather with friends and family during good weather. There is a play area for the children and also a nice place to sit next to the river as you enjoy the breeze and the calming sounds of the water as it flows down the slope, creating amazing memories for all who come to visit and stay in this amazing shipping container house. This beautiful house is listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the links in the description below. If you love shipping container homes and you are planning to build one and you don't know where to begin as far as joining multiple shipping container homes is concerned, worry no more. We have put together the best shipping container home building guide on the market. This amazing guide is comprising of over 300 pages, structured into 14 detailed chapters covering everything you need to know and understand about shipping containers, from inspection, purchase, modification, insulation, finishing, and even it goes ahead to give you free case studies of the best shipping container getaway in the Caribbean, plus a free floor plan of one of the most popular container home designs by Shelter Mode. The reception from our followers and our supporters has been amazing. Thank you for purchasing this amazing guide by downloading your e-copy or your audio copy from our website. You can also get yourself a hard copy on Amazon. For those who have gotten a chance to grab and put their hands on this amazing guide, support the reach of this amazing book by giving us a positive review on Amazon using the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.